Okay, I'm making quesadillas for dinner. I'm putting turkey in them, which I know is kind of weird, but I like turkey. Black beans, avocados for the top, Mexican blend cheese. Wait, these are both Mexican. Different. Jalapenos for the top, salsa for the top. I have sour cream in the fridge. And I got these tortillas. Not my favorite, not my first choice, but these are the best tortillas on the planet, and I will die on this hill. Are these still good? Yeah, so I'm gonna use these, but I just got these in case these weren't good, because I would have cried. That's all. And I'm watching the OC, because, obviously. And I'm drinking a coffee. Okay, first, the turkey. I use this kind. It's from Whole Foods, and it's organic. And in this, I put like onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and kind of whatever else I'm feeling. But I'm gonna cook this really quick, and I'll be back. Turkey and beans are done. Now I'm gonna actually make the quesadillas. I also am cooking with ghee. It's like the best because it's literally just butter that doesn't burn, which is nice. Sour cream. Okay, I added salsa and sour cream and jalapenos. Now I'm adding some avocado. And my show stopped playing. Okay, this actually looks disgusting, but you just have to believe me when I say that this is gonna hit like so good. But like trust, just trust. Everything is so good. All organic, obviously.
All right, let me get you some cash.
This looks so gross, but it's gonna be so good. Not my favorite flavor I've had. Classic cola, cherry cola. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna make brownies. Life is so good. Okay, brownie time. I'm doing these ones, Simple Mills. This ingredient list is perfect to me. So. Okay, 3 eggs. And then I think it's like half a cup of butter or oil, but I always do butter. And 3 tablespoons of water. So chill. I forgot to say that I'm preheating the oven. I actually forgot to preheat the oven. Okay, half a cup of melted butter. I'm doing Kerrygold, but I'm like, that is a whole stick of butter. So...
You're late for class, Summer.
That was insane. Okay.
Sandy. I apologize about yesterday. I was acting like a jerk. Don't worry about it. So then you're not gonna shoot me? I mean, isn't...
You did what you had to do. You said you saved someone's life that night. Not a lot of people would do that.
We're gonna have hope. We are gonna have hope.
He was just trying to be nice.
This might be a little small of a pan.
Look at that.
But actually, maybe it's perfect.
I save shipping costs. I save...
The butter in brownies, if you put butter in your brownies, is what makes like the crispy... Maybe not crispy is the word I'm looking for, like flaky. Also, something with this oven, I don't know how to tell if it's preheated. So I'm just gonna wait like 10 minutes. She's gorge. Bye-bye. Whoa, 23 to 27 minutes? That's way longer than I thought. Siri? Oh, Alexa, can you set a 23-minute timer?
23 minutes.
Thanks, girl. So, I guess I'm gonna wait for that. Maybe I'll make some tea. I might make some tea. Okay, these look gorgeous. Wait, I actually have to show you. So yum. I'm cutting them right now. Whoa. I didn't make tea, but I did do the Wordle, and I did open another poppy because I didn't like that flavor. This flavor is really good though. Okay, I don't know. This isn't necessary. Okay, I was definitely supposed to wait for them to cool down, but I don't have the patience, and they're really, really, really good. This brand is so yum. I say like 8 out of 10.